check. Okay. Let me move this so that it doesn't irritate you guys. Hello. So today we will continue our journey. I'm thinking of maybe making this like a legit series and maybe making like something like the Cherna did. I don't know. I don't know though. We'll see. Hopefully it will turn out well. Right. So here we go. Um, Yesterday we pretty much fixed many of the issues. Cool. We still don't have unfortunate. Um, yeah, we still don't have autocomplete on the using namespace thing that we import. I'm not sure when that happens though. ZLS is kind of fucked. We'll see. Right, so right now I wanted to show you guys something that I found today. Another bug that we will leave for later. Oh, okay, that was interesting. So the bug is that once we add another entity to our child, as a child of child, haha, it will basically crash once we try to save it. So I don't know what causes it because I tried it on Windows, and as we all know, Zig doesn't work properly on Windows. As in, it doesn't give proper errors, just some hexes, completely unreadable. And the only proper system is this baby right here, aka Linux. So new entity will add a mesh, whatever. It doesn't really matter, and then we'll save as test. Whoops. Test.json. We'll clean it up, don't worry. And right here, crash. There we go. So actually, hold on. Let me quickly edit one thing. When we add a new um, hmm, yeah, when we add a new component, we actually add an empty material and an empty mesh. Empty mesh for sure. So draw scene hierarchy, draw inspector, and so it will be somewhere here. As I said, draw inspector. Oh right, we don't have autocomplete. This is annoying. So scene, other scene. Close this. Draw inspector here. And then material we actually do add. But then for mesh, we don't add this guy here. So all right, let's try it now. then we move this back and we move this forward, and yes, it works. Cool. Let's try to save it now. Test.json is empty. Okay, thank you. Replace. All right, no crash so far. How about we add another entity? I think it's because we're adding um a different guy, a different mesh that is. Right, so let's move this here, and this we shall move here, and then helmet, and try to save it again. And here it crashes again. All right, so what is the issue? Serialize. We don't add material path. Huh, interesting. Oh yeah, we don't. Haha, of course. Because this should automatically add. It does add, right? Load mesh. ECS add. Oh yeah, that's right. So in components, Sapfire scene components in mesh. Um, when we add something that's not already there, we're just gonna add another material to the geometry path. Here, so try scene asset. Actually, hold on. All right, so this is a little bit complicated. Yeah, we involve a lot of systems here when we add in a mesh. I guess that makes sense because we don't just add the mesh, we add a material as well, and then the material is supposed to add a texture. So, okay, cool. So, what are we gonna do here? Is we're gonna get try, no, don't try, but instead const material add ECS get what's the syntax here? This should be here, right? Yeah, cool. So here and then here, one more. DF this. What? DF this. Cool. Um, whoops, sorry. Material. Ugh. This is kind of annoying that I have to do this, but it is what it is. And then material. I think it's supposed to be good, right? So we're gonna add a path. So we need asset, asset manager. Um, Material manager. And then material asset map. Get material dot GUID. And this will be a path. Whew. Material paths append. Try here. And then const texture. Is gonna be scene asset. No, asset manager. Texture manager. Texture assets map. Get. What are we gonna get? We're gonna get a material. Can I quickly go back here and see? No. Alright, so it's gonna be in material asset. So const material asset equals material asset, and then material asset dot material path. No, that's not what I'm clicking. Here, material asset map. This will have a texture GUID. Texture GUID. And then try scene asset texture paths append texture. Actually, this should be texture asset. Texture asset path. Like this, I believe. Let's see if this runs. Alright, expected found. Oh, that's right. Like this? Is that what you mean? Wait, hold on one second. What do you mean by that? We get a material. Oh, right. Okay. Well, that's a little bit stupid. Something like this, right? And then get rid of this. and then it should probably work. All right. So what did we do? We added this guy. Let's try to save. See, it doesn't crash. Cool. So, oh, that was grandchild. Okay. Whoops. Okay, so we're gonna move this guy. This guy moves closer and to the right. And then we add another one. Whatever the name is, doesn't matter. Right, doesn't have a mesh yet. Cool. So, add the mesh. Move him closer to the left. Alright, and now we serialize. That's funny. Got a leak. Oh, well. Alright, let's see. Hmm, something didn't work. The child, dude. For some reason, transfer didn't serialize. And then probably here as well, yeah. This is weird. Well, we'll do it later. At least, you know, it didn't segfault or something. Let me actually editor vertices. Huh. No idea. Alright, cool. So test. Let's see. We got so child did have a transform saved at 5. Yeah, that's right. And then grandchild also had it. That's suspicious. Okay, let's chat again. Open. Oh, that's kind of annoying. Yeah, okay, so I was loading the wrong file. My bad. Yeah, that's why you need to clean this shit up. Yeah, this looks right. And then obviously the geometry paths. There's a lot of them for some reason. Oh, that's because we added. Okay, that that works, I suppose. Right. So I will commit this real quick. Fixed crash after adding a mesh comp. Right, so that's good. Right, what did I want to do? I wanted to do the Asset Explorer. Right, and I even started implementing it. And I believe it's an Asset Manager. Yes. Draw? Yeah, Draw Explorer. So here, I know this is really bad that we're adding NFD and then Zigui everywhere, but this is just gonna be for now. Um, and the reason we're doing this instead of just having all this code in the editor is because for some reason I cannot link Flex with the editor. I have no idea why. This is an executable just like any other. I don't know. I don't know. I haven't tried it after the new Zig version, so I'll probably try it off stream and then we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I was just explaining that I kind of want to start like an educational sort of thing, like a series on YouTube about game engines and kind of like my path with this engine. I don't know if I have the time, to be honest. Probably, probably later in the future. Um, Give me just 1 second. I'm gonna go blow my nose. Okay, I am back. Right, so here, because NFD, I mean, oh, now it works. It just, for some reason, for the GUI, it doesn't. So if we're gonna add, let me go here and then copy the code for NFD. Not free path. Here, open file dialog, and then this, cool. Whoops, here, cool. So we're gonna attempt, I just want to format it for now. Right, so we're gonna attempt to say add meshes. Hmm. How am I gonna do this? You know what? I know. So add will open a model pop-up. That's why I was like, let me go here and then here. GUI.zig, yeah. And then here model. Actually, let's just do pop-up for now. Begin model pop-up. And then it takes in a path. And then args for begin. But what is this? And then window flags. Alright, so I wonder if I need to close the model pop-up afterwards. And can I do it with just end pop-up? We'll test it, I suppose. And then here I wanted to go draw, begin, model pop-up. It's a begin pop-up model, first of all. Yeah, okay. Shit, where was this? Cool. Begin pop-up model. Name would be asset import model. I know I will probably end up erasing all of the spaces there anyway because and this returns bool. Yeah, okay. So if because it takes, like in this case, 2 extra bytes for no reason at all, right? And if I have a lot of those spaces and a lot of those components with spaces, obviously it's going to take a lot of unnecessary memory. And then here, I will have hmm, is there a drop down option? Maybe drop down? No? Shit. List? Man. Oh, maybe I can just have radio boxes. Radio buttons. Hmm. Thanks for following Adventure of Gas. Adventures of Gas. Let me know if the music volume is alright, if you can hear it at all, or it's too loud or not enough. I'll turn it up and, adjust it to your liking. We're just chilling with some Japanese lo-fi. That's royalty free, otherwise I'll get flagged on YouTube. By the way, all of this is all the VODs are going to my YouTube channel, but I forgot to set up the chat commands. If you want to see the code, I'll just link it in the chat. Right, so it's not supposed to be a checkbox, not a progress bar, and not a combo, I believe? Or should it be a combo? Directly from... Oh, oh, fuck. Right, creates... Oh, combo from Enum, perfect. That's exactly what I need. Hmm. This is beautifully done, by the way. Michael Z is the author of the Zig game dev um, repo, I should say, but I use it as a library. I actually use almost all of them, all the libraries that's that go into Sapfire, at least for now. It has a job system, um, you know, all of this. I use Zmath extensively, and then ZGLFW to draw the window, to make the window, ZGPU as my render, ZGUI as like the GUI UI thing, um, Flex obviously for ECS, and then there's a lot of really cool libraries here. I don't know because this is like Zig is a new language, it's pretty raw and unfinished, and there's a lot of improvement. Um, this returns a bool. Cool. Um, Basically, the bindings are incomplete. These are just the bindings for the actual C and C++ libraries. Um, so because they're incomplete, a lot of people just sometimes add their own pull requests and to add the functionality that they need, and they had to implement for it to work. So yeah, it's kind of like I suppose, collective effort. Combo from Enum. It was called combo from Enum. Combo creates a combo box directly from pointer to an enum value, using Zig's compile mechanics to infer the items from the list to compile time. Compile time. Yeah, that's pretty good, pretty sick. String. Oh. Oh, that's right, because this is compile time. This is sick. Pretty nice, if you ask me. And then in cast result, current item would be the item. The item is this. Right, maybe. So this is gonna be var currently, I suppose asset type. Let's just make it a mash for now. Right, like this. From combo from enum, what does it take? A label, asset type, and then what else? A current item. So pointer to asset type. So now we're gonna switch on the asset type. Mash. And then we're just gonna repeat this. Actually, ideally, probably. We don't really need to do it. I think. Yeah. Let's just add mash for now, and then we'll see if we can generalize it a little bit more. Now I'm looking for component. No, for mash, because we're gonna add in an asset. Mash asset. Mesh manager. That's init from slice. D init. Create mesh asset. It has a parse arena. Do I save it in the asset manager? Allocator? No. Alright, instance scene manager. Right, let's just create a parse arena that will, will clear only after we initialize the scene. So parse arena, std or stud, sorry, heap arena allocator, init allocator, and then actually I can directly do it. Instance arena. Should I call this parse? Parse arena. Yeah, and then here I'm gonna add parse arena. Stud heap arena allocator. Right. Where were we? We were here. And so we're gonna create a mesh asset, which is gonna be instance actually never mind. So mesh asset, I think it's under SF here. Mesh asset, or maybe material. Mesh manager. Mesh manager. Is this not public? Weird. Mesh manager. Create mesh asset arena. So instance arena or instance allocator. Huh. And then instance parse arena allocator config path. Whoops. What the hell? Config path of the path out map. Um, hmm. Instance. Tell me. Instance. We're adding mesh manager. Mesh asset map, and then here is a pointer, right? And let me see if it's yeah. So we have to try. I'm not a big fan, you know, of doing this, but it is what it is. What's declared here? Why are you not? No, that's right. Oh, right, because we need to do else, not here, but here. For now, let's just not do anything. What is declared here? Oh, select, hold on, whatever. Selected asset type. Cool. All right, and so once we add this, actually, let's see if this works. Because first of all, I'm pretty sure it'll crash because we don't close the model. Zig build run editor. And then if that doesn't crash, I'm gonna be super surprised. Area is ignored. Right. No package name NFD. I'm pretty sure I added it somewhere before. That's weird. Hmm. Let's do it here. And then in dependencies, Sapfire module dependencies put NFD NFD module. And then we have to catch it. Let's see if this works. Okay, looks like it's working. Good. It stopped at 15 out of 20, now it's 16 out of 20, and is the long LLVM emit object, and here we go. So, okay, so I'm pretty sure, yeah, we need to do it a little bit differently. So begin pop-up model, we'll add it here, and then the GUI open pop-up asset import. Whoops. Asset import model. And then I'm pretty sure once we click, it will crash because we need to end pop-up. Yeah. So here, the GUI and pop-up. It's a pretty cool library, not gonna lie. I'm really enjoying it. Dear I'm GUI. Right. Yeah, cool. So, oh, what happens? That's weird. Actually, that makes sense because we didn't add any kind of flags for it. So what is it? Begin model was it pop-up model? Yeah. And then in begin f open all right. No scroll menu bar, horizontal scroll bar, no focus on appearing, always use Windows padding. No. var asset pop-up model open. Let's make it false. And then here we're gonna add if the GUI button we have a guest. Her name is Gucci. And she's cute. Alright. Settle down. Settle down. Settle down. Where are you going? No. Settle down. She likes to hop on my table and then through the table go like over my keyboard, press a few buttons, like she's a true coder, and then get on my lap and just chill there. But I kind of picked her up because I wanted to show you guys. Right, so this should be import. And then it probably has a flag or something, but we're gonna ignore it. And then add this here. Cool. And then combo from enum. What is it? FB open, I think. Begin. Yeah. B open. Asset model open. Pretty sure this won't compile because we'll need to type in for it. Or explicitly, well, actually, let's do it now. Who cares? Bull. Yes, hello. I cannot work like this. Está. Just look at my hand. Actually, hold on. No, 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 no. This. Oh no, that's right. Because we need to select it. And then if you press it, then we open it. Right. Let's see if this works better. My love, come on. Oh, right. Right, because it wasn't a pointer to an optional bool, it was an optional pointer to bool. Cool. So we did all that work for nothing. All right. And now nothing happens. Why is that? Because it's false. Right. Here, we defaulted to false. Um, asset model open equals true. Actually, this doesn't mean anything really. So here, if the GUI, what was it, button mouse, is mouse clicked, and um, is item focused, I think. And so, and not, right, and not the GUI is item focused. Then we're gonna set asset model open back to false. I'm not sure if we should do it before or after we begin the model. Probably after, right? Because yeah, that's how we're gonna draw it. We draw it first and then we collect the input. Oh, expected arg. Oh yeah. Shit. Left. Obviously. Yes. Crackhead. Oh, it actually has a freaking thing. I'm blind. See, that's yeah. So D call 3DD, and then ah, uh, right, this will just be useless. Because last time I checked, the model didn't have the little cross for close button. But I might have been hallucinating. I've been doing too much data programming. Aha. Interesting. Okay. Fair enough. So you see what happened, right? With this flag, there is a little cross button. Without the flag, there is no cross button. Diskette. A rougher. All right, where is the other button? So once this is selected, hold on. Aha. Okay, never mind then. Right. We'll have to do it later, and then we'll have to cache the uh, expected type. Hold on. What is this for? It's the switch. What is this for? It's this. And what is this for? No, I still want to have it here. Right, so I'm gonna need one more of those. Whoops. Yeah, weird. Oh my god, this is gonna crash so bad. Never mind. Don't even bother. So, ah. um, here, and then actually I don't. Okay, hold on. I don't need to do this. I need to do this inside here. So yeah, I could technically be ignoring that value, the little bool value that the combo from enum returns. Yes, yes, Gucci. You're so cute. You're so cute. All right, let's see. And then there's the import button. Yeah, cool. So, and then here we will have GLTF because this is the one that we support. And does this actually create config data? No. Okay, so oh, or does it? This is weird. I guess it does. This function doesn't do what we want it to do. That's actually my mistake. All right, so for now, uh, hmm. All right, let it just be that. And so, Sapphire project meshes. Let it be cube. Lovely, crashed. Parse and load file. Expects data. Attempt to use null value. Zmash alloc malloc. I wonder, did we accidentally or not accidentally? I don't fucking know. Let me just do Zmash. Of course it doesn't have it. Zmash. We init it, then we defer deinit it. This is stupid. Whatever. Um, init from slice, the same thing. Okay, so zmesh init, and then we pass in the arena. Actually, should it be parse arena? Pretty sure it should be parse arena. Um, where is this? Yeah, okay. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Oh, yeah, right, hold on. Because we init it, we also have to de-init it. And we'll probably have to do it every time. I know this is kind of annoying, but, well, what can I do? It's not memory efficient at all, so don't do this at home. This is for testing purposes. I say this every time, and then it's been there for half a year, so maybe one day we'll actually get it right. Essentially, right, we need to init it. Oh, because it's so. All right. Fuck. Uh, this is annoying. You know why this is annoying, right? Because we use this create mash asset. Um, damn it, we use this create mesh asset during the initialization probably. Yeah, and so okay. What do we do here, my friends? So what happens is we try to initialize it again. Well, it's already initialized and it just freaking crashes on me. That's why we have this defer here. Besides memory efficiency. Okay. What can we do, my friends? I know what we can do. We can. This is gonna be so bad. Uh, this is gonna be really bad. I think she wants to go out. You wanna go? Okay, let's go. Be right back. Should I just do this here? This is, I don't know. I probably. Hmm. This is bad, right? Because that means we can't really do anything here in with this function. I mean, we're probably gonna end up just doing like a different kind of thing. All right. Pub fn import mesh. That's why it was not public. Come on, man. Uh, import mesh. We're gonna do self Mesh manager. And then path. And the path is gonna be a const u8. And then we're gonna do this little void thing. And then here we're free to do whatever we want. So we will do zmesh init self dot parse arena dot allocator, and then we're gonna defer the initialization. So zmesh d init, and then here path. Should we do this? How are we gonna load it though? We can do little path and GUID thing. Material GUID. So we can kind of utilize the fact that Mesh Manager always initializes um, after Material Manager and then Mesh Manager. However, this is a little bit sketchy. This is properly sketchy, actually. Right? Because, yeah. Well, it is what it is. Config geometry path. That's fine though. I think. Maybe you should just create a mesh or import the mesh and then automatically create a file for it, like a JSON kind of thing. And then I think this is what Unity does, right? With the meta files. Yeah, I think we'll do this actually. So here path, and then self dot l how's it called, arena allocator here. We shouldn't. I'll need to rewrite this mesh thing tomorrow probably, because actually we do still have an hour to go. Because really we don't need to import anything here. As in, no, we don't need to import the material here because it doesn't really matter, because we use mesh as a geometry only. And then geometry plus material. So mesh plus material is already something renderable. But then I'll have to redo the whole chain. Fuck it, let's leave it for later. I'll leave it, you know, for the future Novo to deal with. Here we will just do the asset manager. We don't have it here. No. That means it's a circle of dependency. Whatever. Damn. This is so cringy. so material GUID would be asset manager. Material manager. Right. This is in. Oh, never mind. Okay. All right. Where's this? Here. Um, dot. Material asset map. Dot. Iterator. I think we should do. Should we? Let's just do iterator, and then iter next. Assuming whatever. Path. Actually, let's just do GUID for now. This is gonna be really weird. It's gonna crash if we have 0 materials imported, but we're always gonna have at least 1 material, which is the default material, I think. I think. Yeah. Yeah. Um, and here we introduce the little thing called I'm stupid. Right? Because if we're gonna import GLTF, it obviously is gonna have GLTF in the end. Uh, and this is not runtime, so I can. I mean, this is runtime, so I can't do it really. Okay, let's see if this works. So what I'm concerned about is that the JSON and then the GLTF are gonna have 2 different paths. Which means they're gonna have 2 different GUIDs, and so actually no. Close this. Go to meshes. No, that's cool. Yeah, geometry path is gonna be the same. Yeah. We are okay. So self arena config path. There's gonna be path, and then path out map. Do we need an out map here? Probably. Right. Most likely. Cool. So instead of here, we're gonna put self dot. This is so asset. Jesus. Hold on. So self dot mash assets. Put GUID asset. Try. Right, and so we will have to create this is turning into a nightmare. So const fs stdfs. Actually, I don't need to freaking do this. Out mesh out map. Fuck. Self here. Anyway, that's what I was looking for. Let me clean this up real quick. Cool. And so stdfs create file, maybe open file, right? Because it will automatically create it. Fuck. All right, for now, you know what? Let's just do this real quick. And see if it crashes or not. Hopefully it doesn't. So try, what was it? Try instance material, no, mesh manager. Mesh manager dot import mesh. This is gonna be a path, g ltf. Cool. Let's see if this works. No field name allocator is, oh, 206. Wow. Wow. Oh, I didn't save it. Amazing. Okay. Allocator. Smartass. The compiler is my best friend and my worst enemy at the same time. I wish ZLS was my best friend, but it's too buggy. Right, so we're gonna go project. See, no, I'm stupid. Assets, models. Let's do sci-fi helmet. Cool. So child. Okay, so this works. Cool. Yeah. Now we're gonna need to look at init from slice. Ooh. Alright, so that's the thing though. Okay, cool. We can close this. I think we can close this. So first things first, asset model open equals false because we want to close the model after we've imported the thing. Now, does this happen with the parse allocator, parse arena that I don't clean up, right? Cool. So where's this saved? Shit, it's not saved anywhere? This is kind of annoying. Um, okay. Um, what is declared there? But what? So? Uh, cool. And then we're gonna have config dot config. I think it's worth having it just in case. Um, mm, okay. Uh, stud array list. Um, all right. I mean, okay, whatever. Ah, God. And then config append path. And then try. And then here we're gonna have config dot path items. I'm not particularly fond of this. Just saying. And then once I clean up namespaces here, because so for example, this is not a method, which I got actually never mind. It makes sense because this is an initialization function. How am I gonna initialize something with what's it called? You know, the thing. Wait, parse arena. It has a parse arena. Then I don't need to do this. Parse arena. Perfect. Allocator. All right, cool. So will you or will you not? You will not. Expected type. Ooh, right. Okay. That too. So database equals config dot items. Right. This has to be sentinel terminated. Yeah. Okay. We will compile. Promise. All right, should we just oh yeah, the good old deinitialization failure. I wonder why this happens. I probably don't need to do this anyway because I'm allocating with an arena allocator and yeah. Yeah, I actually don't need to do this, I think. Like deallocation. Okay, I'll just fix it later. It's not important right now. Maybe we can just have a list. Path database, and this way it'll be easier to do the thing. Where was this? Here, I believe before. And then stood array list null terminated const u8s, and then we'll just have to separately go over this. Actually, no, we can just add it there. Whatever. This way, it will be expandable because slices are immutable, right? Yeah, yeah. So this is what's gonna happen. We're gonna add var path database stud array list const u8 init arena parse arena allocator, and then here we will have path database. Actually, this should be try path database append path, and then this will change to path database to path database. Right, and then we'll do the same thing, except here we'll just do config path database equals config. Pardon my naming. Right, and so here we will just create mesh asset. We will just try self path database append path. Actually, should be path copy. And then we can serialize it. Actually, I think that was the correct move. To factor it out here. Sorry, I keep forgetting where my it's in scene. Shit. Serialize. JSON stringify. And then, oh, perfect. I know what's gonna happen. So we're just gonna add JSON to the, yeah, we're gonna add JSON to the end of the extension. So it's gonna be like sci-fi helmet dot gltf dot JSON. Just like Unity does, CS meta. Yeah. Even though it's not hard to like factor it out, like the extension, I just don't want to like you know spend too much time on it right now. So I know this is really inefficient. What I'm gonna do here for every imported, actually I think it is the only way to do this actually because parse arena is the only way to do this, right? Because we're gonna have a file um, per imported file. I don't know if this is gonna work. I think it's not gonna compile here, but that's all I can do right now. Actually here, this is fine. Also I don't need to do this, right? Yeah. So this is gonna be new mesh JSON, and this is gonna be serialize what is it called? Mesh config config dot JSON. Right. Um, we can once again do it here. JSON stringify. What I'm gonna take a value any type. So right, this is gonna be mesh config options, stringify options. Leave it here. Ooh, it's like this, right? Geometry path equals path, material path. We should probably do it like this: const material asset equals and this is going to be a pointer, so it doesn't really matter. Material material asset dot GUID, and then my material path is this big boy here, which is material asset dot path. Cool. Outstream, just gonna be a writer, right? Yeah. Writer. And I think this gotta be try. Yeah. Cool. And now here, we're gonna open oof. Project, because this is gonna be a hard-coded kind of path. It's like the library folder in Unity. So project mash config.json, and so instead of this, ooh, wow, that was a little bit too harsh, I think. Here, so config database equals self path database items. Cool. All right, let's see if this compiles. Yeah, unable to resolve contat value. Is there a quick way to stud mem concat? Oh yeah, perfect. So instead of doing this, which is a comp time thing, I'm gonna do stud mem concat, which is not a comp time thing, which is a runtime thing. Allocator, parse arena, self parse arena, allocator. We know this. We know this. So for T U8 slices. Huh? How does this work? What the fuck? Copies each T from slices. My friend. My friend. Alright. Show me. Copies each T from slices into a new slice. What? But how is this concatenating? Oh, I think I understand. Okay, so yeah. What was it? Path and then dot JSON. What? Whew. All right, expected type const, found type what? Oh, and this actually fails? Oh, Jesus. uh, wow. So const path equals try, and then whatever this is. Uh, I know I'm not doing this efficiently. What? Okay. Let's try this then. Oh, but path is already declared there, of course. Mash path, whatever. Expected type. Hmm. Can I just add a sentinel? Can I? Wait, what? Brother, where? Uh, concat with oh, fucking fuck. Uh, uh, yeah. Thank you, Zig. Thank you, Andrew, for providing this beautiful function. Pointer sentinel 48. What the fuck are you talking about? Why is it 48? Of course. Yeah, there's a function right here that I'm using without the quotation marks. Whatever. It's been a long day. Okay, let's see if it crashes. Hopefully it doesn't. Ah, look at that. Okay. Okay. Ugh. What? Where? Okay, let me cancel this real quick. Essentially it works. We just need to add one more little thing. And so instead of doing this, because I wanna put it here so that all the paths are relative, like in the library folder, I'm assuming. Uh, hmm. How are we gonna do this? We're gonna std mem split. Const split, and then we're gonna split any comp time u8 buffer t delimiter dot. What did I do here? What t? Path. And then the delimiter is gonna be slash, and then hold on. So what's the path here? Yeah, no, that's cool. So const name equals split split dot len minus 1, right? And use local constant, and then path copy, go with whatever. That is completely fine. Not path, but project here. So project dot meshes, comma, then we insert name. Let's see. Items len. Really? Split iterator. Fucking hell. Is there a Uh, really? Oh, okay. Yeah, I wanted to do something cute. Cool. No. Whatever. Split reset. And then 4, 0 to last index. Whatever. We're not gonna capture shit. Here we'll do split next. Um, how about this? This was a pain. I'll need to write like a string thing. Expect a test later to find const mouse later. What? Are you kidding me? Of course, I mean I wrote it. Who am I kidding? Expected type. Let's go. What? Expected type usize found usize? What?
Ridiculous. Ridiculous. Value of type, of course. Yes. Hmm. Hold on. Split. Um. Should it be rest? Wait. In which case, can't I just make it simpler? In which case, I don't need to do this. In which case, I can just do this name equals split rest. Can't I? Yeah, no. Complete brain fart here. It's already late. All right, let's quickly finish this up and end the stream for tonight. All right, let's see it. Perfect. It was added here, and then probably gonna be added here. In which case we can run it again, and it loads. And then here we can add a component. Wait, what? No, no, no. That ain't right. Oh no, that is right. Okay. No, that ain't right. Right, we're not supposed to edit here. We're supposed to edit here. I edited it to the wrong thing. Fuck. All right, cool. So we'll delete this. Was it? No. Ugh. All right. Shut up. And then here, just do this here, and then yeah, cool. I was pressing the wrong button once again. All right, so it was an asset manager. Что? Where were
It was in Mesh Manager. Cool. So here, we were adding the wrong thing. So in new mesh.json, project meshes, that is correct. Actually, we should probably save it here, right? Just in case. Const mesh path. Actually, no. Mesh JSON path equals. Here we will just add path. Material asset path, that's fine. Mesh config JSON. And then we should hold off on adding this bad boy there. Path database. We should do mesh JSON path. Append it here. And see if this one works. Yeah. Yay! Alright, seems to work. Seems to be correct. Cool. So what happened here? Root child. Perfect. Yes! It works! It works! Alright, let me quickly, I need to delete this. Let's do it again and see what happened. What happened when we added it? For some reason, it just didn't close the menu. So it's a mesh. We open it. Assets, models. Oh no, it's cool. Yeah, no, it works. Or does it? Oh, for some reason it saves the GLTF instead of. Okay, so once again delete. Fuck, delete this. Delete, I said. And then here we'll do this. Oh, it's copying the path. Right. Right. Um, okay, so we can just, put it up there. Actually, do we have to? Yeah, for consistency's sake, let's do it here. Path copy instead of path. We're gonna do mesh JSON path. And then path copy. All right, and now let's try this again. Oops. Okay. Non-equal lengths. Didn't start adding anything here. Yeah, cool. Yeah, this makes sense. I think because math mesh JSON path. Yeah. Mesh JSON path. There we go. What happened here? Hmm. Oh, right. Uh, where is this GUI that I generate? Mesh JSON path. See, that's what I was saying. Like the GUID for the GLTF and then GLTF JSON are two different things. They have two different GUIDs. All right. And now it will load. Perfect. All right, cool. This is perfect. And then here I shall do this. Okay. Git status git add git commit edit what is it called? Mesh import to the editor asset manager noise. All right, that's it. Tomorrow we shall continue with um, we shall do the same thing for materials and probably start adding proper texture. And then we will also implement the asset explorer. So like we have the scene hierarchy, which shows all the entities. Here we'll have all the assets. And obviously, I think we will just do the little um, the inspection of the project folder and the underlying directory. So we're gonna have a scene, we're gonna have meshes, and then we're gonna have materials, right? So it's gonna be split into 3 different folders, which kind of sucks because then we'll be enforcing a certain structure to our projects. But I think this is still kind of fine for now. Um, all right, I'll think about it and plan it probably. Thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Thanks for tuning in and turning up. I got two new followers today. I am Evan, and then Adventures of Gas. Thank you guys both for following. It means a lot, and I hope you enjoyed it. And thanks everyone once again for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow around the same time. All right, bye.